Hi, it's Monica. Now I've got something really exciting for you. This is something that's very rarely done because it's extremely hard to achieve. Now we have achieved this. What we've done is introduced Step Into Volume. Our Step Into Volume course is extraordinary. What makes it special is that these two courses, which is a classic course and Russian volume course, have been combined. What that means for you is that you're getting enormous amount of knowledge in an extremely short period of time. When you start your career with lash extensions, you have to normally attend a class for classic lashes, then you're doing your enhanced course, attending a few workshops in between, and then maybe after about 6 to 8 months, you'll then move on to your advanced technique, which is Russian volume. With this course, we have combined about 8 months of practice and learning into one training pack. Then this enables you to go home and cater to all your clients' needs. You don't have to listen to your clients saying, I would like Russian volume lashes, but you're not trained, so I'll have to go elsewhere. This is a very intense course and it's only for those that really want to get stuck in and start working and get those results and then get your clients through the door and make your business amazing. With our courses, you will get a starter pack. So for the Step Into Volume course, you actually get 2 packs to get you ready for classic lashes and Russian volume lashes. So you'll have all the tools that you'll need, you'll have all the lashes, and you have all the knowledge and support to get you to that next level. I invite you to check the whole list of everything that's included in your starter pack and all the benefits that come from training with Mystique Lashes. You get all the information on our website, and if you ever need any help or any support, please let us know.